disrespectful to cleaning the house and your kids come home. Like, that's so disrespectful. Man, clean the house and it's dirty immediately. Did she go get Kona?
It's like, I heard cleaning your house is like trying to brush your teeth while eating Oreos.
Yeah.
Like, yes, it just never happens.
It's not gonna happen. That part right there. Oh.
But also,
Oreos?
no.
Oreos. Brush your teeth while eating Oreos.
Yeah, that's what she was saying. But force me to jump a little bit. You've got this one here. You got there.
Gonna go play for us, Kim? She's gonna go play for us.
Hey, give me
Like, get all the
Yeah.
boxes out.
I'm already gonna be in trouble. Hey, see, give me Thursday. I'm in there. I'm gonna be in trouble on Monday's meeting anyway, so or email. So might as well just keep it going.
Let me see.
Yeah, normally with decision.
But once again, so I'm gonna be this. That comes over to me. It says,
Yeah,
I just want to talk about that no movie is. So if you know who he is, and he is not a mystery. Why is he on the side? Why is he able to coach?
Callum's actually his new team is actually playing for
Dad, can you help me with my
So
cleaning?
you know that we know that we all know.
Yeah.
Well, now they're playing, they play 12 They just have a different coaches name as being the head coach. So where he plays flag football practices, that team plays right next to him. Oh, and I sit there and give them reviews.
And that's the thing about me. I'm sick.
Okay, so RMSA, I told you no. Don't go there.
I think he's just gonna play. I'm gonna play one more year. There's one more season. This is Gray's last season. And he asked me, Chris is the coach of that season. I feel like that place.
Right, yeah.
And Gray asked me personally to play.
Right.
I will do it for Gray.
Right.
But I want her to play other stuff. Like,
Maybe I could come back.
He doesn't play summer, he just told you.
no, I said I'm gonna do this summer.
Play Gray.
I'm gonna do this summer because Gray wants to do it. So
Come on, defense,
Well,
yeah!
he's playing after, so I don't know.
it'll be way too easy.
I don't know. You gotta decide if that's what you want to do.
It's probably
I need somebody to run with Gray though. So
You want to play with Cam?
yeah.
Okay, so we'll ask Matt.
Oh no, my goodness.
ooh, puppy.
Callan is fine. Yeah, I love it when you guys are together.
Nice!
This is where.
Nice purple!
Let's go!
Oh, nice one.
He does not taste good.
Yeah,
What
purple,
do you drink
great
coffee
night.
for? You don't need to get taller.
Stop growing. Because she got just broke it down. So I'm gonna drink her coffee.
Oh,
She said she's gonna go to Dutch Bros too.
see? You just didn't
She
hear
should
it.
have waited.
Bonnie, the Dutch
Get
Bros.
the momentum, let's go!
Oh,
Shoot it! Shoot it!
that's too
Oh.
Nice try!
Honestly, they weren't that great. They weren't that great.
Well, that's how I felt about the team you just played. Is they're only good because there's something. Like if you're playing like that's what team wants to right now. If you're playing against the and you're a sixth grader, they have kidding me, a keeper that's comes took up my shoulder. And all he had to do was go like this. So it didn't
Yeah.
matter. Like we have
Nice turnover, purple!
Nice!
I like that. Good fight.
There you
There we
go.
go, there we go. Nice.
I really like this coach Marlon.
Uh-huh.
He's taking counting, like actually train with Seagulls and keeper training. And he's also and I love it because this whole group is we played them in winter and get out. They're so nice. They're good. Oh! Nice try! Potatoes.
Where did your mom go?
Yeah, that sounds good. This
She's actually coming back. She got stuff from the bakery, remember?
Oh, yeah.
he's coming back. They have to have their 15-minute talk session soon. 15-minute talk session.
Pressure!
They have it during the game and after.
Of course. You gotta talk shop. That's what we do.
They never stop. It's a never-ending loop. They should put a wall between fields. 'Cause what is the...
Yeah!
I see the fields are coming along now. They should look better than they did 2 weeks ago. We went to the summit home opener last week.
That episode.
Oh!
I miss people's
There you go.
parachutes.
Yeah!
I miss people's parachutes.
Go potatoes!
I was trying to feed you.
Like we missed people parachuting from the like I don't know where, and then we missed the
It wasn't a show. They thought there was like a concert. Right, yeah.
They don't have enough colors for you.
It's just
Yeah, I seen that. They said that the record was like 65,000.
63,000.
Yeah, we set the new
For women?
record. Yeah, you
Yeah.
I love that.
The most recent one was the Bay. The Bay were at 45.
2 for 2. Katie and I just almost got in a fight in the parking lot.
Good recovery.
This guy was going down the one way, and so Katie was like, this is the one way, and he starts yelling, screaming at her.
Nice.
Guy doesn't care, and then starts flipping her off.
Yeah, let's go!
I have to date and also start talking back and flipping off, and
Oh.
I'm so over that lately. It's so bad this season.
They don't
And there's
understand.
literally, he's coming towards total head-on traffic. And he's like, I don't care. She's like, but it's a one-way. Like, park. Park. He's like, oh. I'm just like, oh my. They're trying to let you know you're going the wrong direction, sir, because there's tons of cars coming this way.
Hello, there's a
But you know
And there's not enough room.
what I issue that was a guy.
Who's this kid?
I mean, my
There you go. Good job, Alan.
I was just saying that with the kids. It's like, and she didn't say it really. She's like, this is a
Nice.
Let's go play.
Let's go play.
It's okay. It's all right, Benji. It's
So I
all
was like,
right.
shoot, I gotta walk back over there by myself. I should probably be watching. There's multiple hands came out of the car for the third, so I'm like, I jumped walking back from the sourdough.
My sourdough.
I'm pretty sure you could take it.
Good?
And I'd be alright. But,
Another reason why she
no pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah. She didn't say it rudely. Yeah. Rather than being like, oh my gosh, I know, I'm so sorry. And then turn around. Like,
Are you guys playing most of your games in this one? Hazel? Yes,
that part. I'm like, it took me 5 years to figure it out. And then they'd be like, teachers don't care. It's hard to. I can't believe you guys can.
Church.
All right, that's good. Come on, defense.
There you go.
Nice block, D.
Nice, good.
Very unfortunate. A lot of parents seem to be on the wrong side of things these days. So defensive. That part. She's in the car. She's like, she's in her pants, she'll have her shirt, or her shirt's on.
Oh, good job, Larry.
It wasn't
Kick, Will.
yeah, it's just the defensiveness. Yeah, I think Canada are different with our kids, because even like the girls come off her hitting the ball, she's like, people wouldn't do. But she's always doing this.
tough parent.
We're talking about this person, not this Go! You survived.
Nice shot.
So, I mean, you know, because Cal plays with his high school team, and so they had their quarterfinals or semi, whatever you want to call it, quarterfinals. And we lost to Aurora Highlands by 1.
Within 30 seconds, 30 seconds they can't. Mind your business.
So, when I said that, so anyways, you know, long story short is that's Hazel, grab it!
Yes.
Nice play. Way to keep control, Purple.
It's that serious.
Grab it, Hazel!
There's a couple plays where referees weren't calling fair. And we're just like, call it fair. A couple parents looking at us.
Nice.
Great play, Purple! Let's go! One of our guys charged one of their kids, and it was blatant. So,
They were like just sitting there.
so then, you know, in the situation,
You guys are 14. What are we talking about?
Right.
I get it as an official. You're going to make mistakes and stuff like that. It's not easy.
Right. Honestly, I would
Yep.
calling more penalties.
Nice job, Purple. You have a bunch of the Mexican League teams playing.
Yeah.
These kids are great. They're very talented.
Those have the same energy, honey. Keep it. Yeah. I hope you always feel
Yeah.
Well, but we're talking about a different indoor, yeah. So long story short, yes, you're right.
But like,
So what school are you guys from?
Harmony?
Are you guys in championships?
We lost this morning to Quest in the soccer team. If they won today,
7-8, right?
yeah. I think our 7th grade team is going to beat it, and I think the 8th grade team is going to beat it too.
That's the 8. Yeah, they didn't have Calvin's on the 7th grade. All 6 graders.
Oh, okay.
Every time that they play the games, it's not a combination of 7 graders. Yeah.
That's good for soccer. This
other 8-year-olds,
brother,
you know.
actually,
You know who I'm talking about?
the taller goalie for Harmony. Yeah, so I actually coached his
Not
brother.
Harmony, Aurora Highlands.
Oh, no, yeah.
No, I'm talking about Aurora Highlands. This kid's...
Excuse me, man.
I haven't seen Harmony.
Ask me a question. You ask me a question. Another question. And this is not...
Playing the rock style. Stop livid.
No, yeah, me and Melinda were just talking about it. We're not stopping today. And we're going to reach out.
Is that altercations.
Yeah, no, I see on you. And she brought it up. She said that Matt should probably reach out. So, no, we'll definitely reach out to him.
Because it was a catch-22. It's like, if I shake his hand, it's an altercation. If I don't shake his hand, it's an altercation.
Yeah, and he was yelling at me too.
Like, I'm not shaking your hand because I'm not going to start, like, I don't want to. I'm trying to de-escalate. And then I'm having my huddle and you're walking past it and you're steady talking. Like, at what point am I be like a mess?
I know. I did for a second too.
That's why I blew them kids. I blew them kids.
Oh, I'm sorry. You know, like I don't have any.
What's probably going to happen is Matt's going to reach out to like, and ask for your side of the story. Even though he was here, that happened. Just so we can document it all. And then, yeah, and then make the best decision and go from there. Because, yeah, no, I do know that he's brought it up, or had some altercations in the past, so.
I walked him. Like, I was sitting there.
And now we're out on Monday.
You getting your fuzzy coat?
It's fine. It's just like I'm not.
No, it's frustrating.
It's frustrating because the way I interpret it, right? And I even said when the play happened, I said that's a great play because somebody continued to do that, but it's illegal. You know what I mean? And then they got all elevated. We could do that. I said it's illegal. I said it's all illegal.
It's in the playbook.
Like it's in the rule. Like, and I said if you want, go get Matt. So like I said, go get Matt, and he walks past me. He's like, and I'm like,
No, and I appreciate you.
oh, I did not keep it. I'm not saying
I mean, afterwards.
Yes. But I should have been better. I should have did better for my kids.
It's frustrating.
Yeah, if you have somebody being aggressive to me.
Yeah, what I'm going to do is, if you want to reach out to Matt, go for it. I'm sure he's going to reach out to you anyway.
And I'm going to let them know, like, if somebody has, I don't know.
Yeah, and you won't reach out to the rep.
I try to come here and just coach my kids. Good at
My
things.
defense!
And, like, to me, that's uncalled for. Like, I take responsibility for what happened after when I told, like, when he was being disrespectful to me. I should do that. But I'm also, that came from an environment that just doesn't.
Yeah.
That just, I'm sorry. I tried to be the bigger person. I said, go get that. To me, that's good. And I even told him, I was like, you know what, I'll stay down here. I'll let my sister control it.
Yeah. No, I get it. Yeah, just shoot Matt an email.
And then you seen him when he was walking in.
Yeah, he was screaming at me.
So that's not somebody that is conducive to him. Because he obviously doesn't respect
Nice try.
a man heart. To scream at a woman, I feel sorry for the wife. Honestly. And I'm not even being funny because if he's screaming at you, why would he stop you from screaming at your wife? You know what I mean? I don't judge him. I just told him, like, if I will tell you, we both practice at the same time. And, like, so, if he comes at the same energy. I think he probably should. Because if he comes with the same energy, I'm good. Like, I'm about to go home. I'm about to go to church. I'm good. But I don't, that man's a loose cannon.
Yeah, totally. I get it.
But, just tell me.
I'll stop by.
There's a lot of people out here. I'm not.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Shoot Matt an email so you can
Baby, we gotta go.
rest your day. You want to say
Hi
to Cam?
Owen, where Owen go? You gonna come play with me in the summer? I think we're gonna play in the summer, baby.
Hazel, get it! Come on!
He's 10.
Wait, is everybody who's on your team?
We might lose a couple people, but most likely most people will come back. Our normal team will come back. And I'll get them. I'm pretty much close. You know, I'll throw it out there. And I'll get most of the team back. But, you're welcome. All right, I'll see you guys later.
Hey. enjoy cleaning your house.
Oh, yes.
We have a house that can come over too.
All right, I got you, baby.
Take care, y'all. Have a nice day.
You too.
Yes, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
It is. Time.
I'll put the bag in my bag. Baby, you can't carry everything.
Are you guys coming or going?
We're leaving.
You're out of here. You're keeping it safe for you.
Thank you, appreciate it.
That big scary dog. We were kind of outmatched.
Nice play, Purple.
I grew up with them.
Oh, man.
We always hold on to her.
Almost got that. You can take it turns.
Go, Purple.
Oh, we found a toy.
Work together, Purple. Oh, well. 4-0?
No? Okay.
I think purple 0.
All right, Taters.
Oh. Just a bit high.
Is that better, mister?
Up for it, Valeria.
Like that first touch was amazing.
I know, right? Good job. Good passing.
Back him up. Let's go. I have a pity, but the rock that was your last one in regards to watching, I just, you know, I mean.
It's hard
Yes, she did the top spot.
Sun feels good, and then I put my jacket on and get too hot. And
Yeah,
then
the wind is too cold.
my jacket off and the wind blows.
It's that annoying in between.
It feels like spring though.
Yeah.
Finally.
go faster.
It has wings. It's flying away. Hey, here's a plus. Go purple defense. Get spicy potatoes. Go.
Yes.
Right enough. Oh, come on. Nice play, Purple. Let's go. Nice. Nice play, guys. Yes, keep it moving, keep it moving. Nice job, Hazel.
You're running, kid. You're a runner.
Get up, Will. Go, go, buddy. Center.
Good pass.
Right there. Nice, Hazel.
Nice, Hazel.
Good
Good pass.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Hustle. Good pass.
Good pass.
Oh.
Nice try.
Hustle. It looks effortless too. He's like, oh, I guess he's doing it. Yeah.
Good pass. Nice.
Shot it in, it in.
Nice try.
Man, good job goalie. That was some action.
Nice save, Benji.
Ready for the header, Will.
job, G.
Hey, why'd you play?
Stay on the G.
Here we go.
Oh!
Good idea. Nice play. Ready? Nice, Lucy.
Hey, you know where it is? It's not on your phone.
Oh, good idea. Good job, Keith.
Go around that building. Come right back. Do not run through any fields.
Nice.
Big bounce, big bounce. Go, Will!
Will, that's you! Will, that's you! Don't stop!
Go get it, Blair!
Go! Will, keep going!
Oh, come on, Hazel.
Open that, open that!
Nice. Nice work. Oh.
Fire it!
Shoot.
Yeah!
Good job, KJ!
Stop the ball. Like we should be closer and have actual practice that way.
Oh, you gotta run it! Gotta run it!
Go, go, go! Track it down! Track it down!
I expected a backflip high school. Right, go the last game back down to a big thing.
Yeah,
Really?
it was a whole to-do.
Like a whole series.
This morning they were teasing him that if he could
Get it out of there, Al! Get it out of your head!
Oh, I could see him trying. He's
They
trying.
were changing and no, it's not.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Keep running, don't stop, keep running.
Oh, Owen, Callan, don't call keep. You're not the keeper right now.
Not touching the ball.
As long as it's not my face. I don't care. Mom, look where I got.
Good job.
Probably.
There you go. Go, turn it, go. Help out. There you go. Turn it, go, turn it, go. This side, come this way. Go back this way, go. Up the side, right there. There you go.
There you go. Good job, keeper.
Back to the middle. There you go. Timothy's over. Nice job.
Good pass.
Oh, nice. Big kick, Will. There you go, baby. There you go. Come in. Good ball. Right there.
Lots of shots. Shoot that.
G.
My oldest is.
So Will is on football.
Oh, yeah. Chase is on the blue team. He's 13.
Okay, perfect.
Stay on her, stay on her.
Good job.
Nice pass.
Nice pass.
She's here. She's not playing. She's with
She's like, just
Oh, here's the kids that are going to work. That's like this next one.
Go, Rashawn. Back up, back up. Back up, Keith, back up.
It's just a chair. Yeah, nothing exciting. Looks like you want to go up and play soccer, doesn't it? Yeah.
Up the net.
Get the puppy yet, aren't you?
Good job, Keith.
Play.
Go, Will, go, go, go. Hey.